When it comes to lifting products or people, United Forklift and Access Solutions have the right materials handling and access solutions to get the job done. As one of Australia's largest forklift and access equipment companies, we've built a successful branch network across every state. We've also partnered with the world's most respected brands. Brands like Cat Lift Trucks, Konecranes, and Haulit, all synonymous with quality, strength and overall reliability. From the toughest forklifts and container handlers for lifting, shifting, racking and stacking to the most versatile range of scissor lifts, boom lifts and telehandlers to lift your business to new heights. At United, we are always looking for innovative solutions to help our customers through the most technologically advanced and safest equipment to an extensive range of services designed to meet the daily demands of your business. Our national state-of-the-art workshop facilities are equipped with specialised equipment and technology and supported by a professional team of factory-trained and experienced personnel. So no matter the equipment or size, from general services and repairs to major engine overhauls, maintaining your forklift and access equipment to minimise downtime to your business is our priority. With industrial-sized spray booths that can return your equipment to its original shine, to overhead cranes to safely lift the heaviest loads. When the unexpected occurs, rest assured our team of responsive mobile service vehicles is on call 24/7 to help you. Equipped with all the necessary parts and equipment to perform services and repairs on site. And if it's a part you require, our branch stores stock the widest range of genuine and reconditioned parts and accessories. Our expert staff can provide advice on the best part solution for your equipment. If you require new or used equipment to support your growing business, we can help you make the right decision to purchase or finance particular equipment that meets your specific needs. Or when hiring is more viable for your business, we have one of the largest rental fleets in Australia. Flexible and competitive rental options designed to suit your needs from 1-day hire to 5 years. The choice is yours. Reliable forklifts for all your materials handling and access equipment to get the reach you need. A simple phone call to United and we'll have equipment delivery to your site fast. Plus we'll take care of the maintenance so you can get on with the job. And as safety is important to United, we can offer the latest safety solutions to protect your people. From the latest product safety features to a wide range of equipment customizations to suit your site requirements. Using our state-of-the-art telemetrics, we can also help businesses make the right decisions about their fleet management requirements. So, whatever your business, United have all your forklift and access solutions covered. Backed by a dedicated national network, yet still locally focused to support your business no matter where you are. Discover for yourself why at United, it's all about you. For more information, visit unitedequipment.com.au.